Hello everybody, I am Jeremy Solomon. I am the Artistic Director at TrouperSphere, a company that specializes in drama in education, and we have some news for you. The year 2024 is a very exciting year for us because we have a ton of events, a ton of workshops planned, and we are kicking the year off with our summer camp that we have planned in the month of April. The month of May, we have planned a mime workshop, which is also a different version of a summer camp, and we will be starting our year-long program in the month of June. Also, starting from June, we will be doing 2 events per month on different Saturdays. One event is where you can just come, sit back, relax with your family and watch a fun storytelling session or a fun theatrical performance. And another event is where you can come and be a part of it. You can come play drama games. You can come be part of a musical experiences. There's so many things that you can be a part of. And you can find all these details right here on our website. So head on to TrouperSphere.com and go to the events page under our experience tab, and you can find all the events right there. And I am very happy to once again this year collaborate with Elfwood Experience Center. They are a wonderful children's library and they have an amazing space as well, and I've been working with them for the longest time now, and they're not only put together this wonderful amazing space, but they're really awesome people as well. So for the most of it, make your way down to Elfwood Experience Center, check out the space, and we will be doing our workshops and events over there, and I will be linking their social media and the different things that they're doing down in the description as well. However, these events are not restricted to what you see on our website. We may be organizing more events, we may be doing more things, and as of now, these are just our calendar events. So you can expect so much more from TrouperSphere in the year 2024. And here's another thing. If you would like us to curate an event, maybe at your society, maybe at your apartment, the complex that you're living in, or the school that your child goes to, we will be able to connect with you and we will be able to do that for you as well. And if you see an event over here and you're not able to make it for whatever reason, get in touch with us. And if you're able to organize enough students and enough participants to be a part of the event that you want to, or the workshop that you want your child to be a part of, we can make that happen. So don't hesitate to get in touch with us just because you may have other commitments for the dates that those events are set for. That being said, if you would like to know more about what we are doing, of course you can check out our website, you can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and you can join our WhatsApp and our Telegram channel for all the updates on all things TrouperSphere and everything that we are doing in the year 2024. That being said, I'm happy to announce that TrouperSphere is now listed on Google as well. So for those of you who have been associated with TrouperSphere and even with JJ Theatric before we rebranded to TrouperSphere, we would love if you take the time to leave a review on our Google page. And to do that, we will also leave a link to that in the description. So here we are at the beginning of 2024, and I am super excited for what this year has in store for TrouperSphere, and I'm super excited to experience that with you. Stay tuned for more updates.